Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can hide apps on your iPhone. I will show you how to do so on the iPhone 15 Pro, but you can follow these steps with like every other iPhone. Maybe you want to organize your home screen a bit. Maybe you want to, just hide apps off your home screen, as you don't want others to see them or whatever else. So we will take a closer look on our home screen. We have that page here, then we have our home screen, and we have app library. So we'll now go ahead and choose an app that we would like to hide. So I don't know, for examples, let's say Freeform. We'll press and hold, and then we can say edit home screen. So then all apps are like wiggly and we can edit them. Or we say remove app. And now we can say if we want to delete this app, so get rid of it and that this app is not on our iPhone anymore. Or we say remove from home screen. We only want to hide it, so we say remove from home screen. So it's not here anymore, and it is now in our app library under creativity. When you click on certain apps like settings and you say remove app, you can only remove them from the home screen, as some apps are just crucial for you to use the iPhone. Like settings, you can't just get rid of them, delete them from your iPhone, as you need to be able to access your settings somehow, right? So you can only say to remove from home screen, and then that's also in our app library. So that's how you can hide apps from your home screen on your iPhone. I hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.